here we are by the chimney, and there's the setup. I'll make it more permanent once I get everything up. That's where the spider beam is up there, stealth-like. And come with me, I'll show you what it looks like from the road. Yep, you can't even see that. Just barely by the chimney you can see it. But not very much. That's the kind of stealth I like. And I'm going to show you this here too. So you can just see the spider beam there. But we're going to go up and put the other end of the end fed into the top of that tree. So by the time we're done, boy, you can't even see the top of the spider beam. By the time we're done, we'll be going from above the chimney around that spot there, across to the top of that tree there. That's the plan for today. Oh, okay, so I'm up here on the roof. Behind me, you can just see the spider pole going up right by the chimney there. And it's a split level, so there's another section of roof right there, but I'm not going to bother trying to get up on that thing. So far so good, and let's see what we can do here. Alright, that's the tree I want to get it into, the other end of the end fed, the radiating part, into that tree over there. And like I did in the last video, I've got my fishing pole, so let's see what we can do. Okay, so here's another part of the stealth operation. You can see I need to do some masonry work on here, but you can see I've got that camo string, and I've just guide the pole there. I'm pretty confident it's not going anywhere though. So now, let's see about getting the rest of the antenna up. So here's the deal. When you have to go up and down steps and climb in and out of windows just to hang an antenna, you better make sure it works. So at least I know it works. Alright, take a look at this. So when I was up here, you might notice earlier shots there were pine needles everywhere. So my white pines are shedding. Anyway, I took the blower and got rid of those things, keep the XYL happy. And now I've got to get this piece. Okay, this is the radiator. And look at all the branches it's got to go through up there. So that's a bit tricky. But here is my tool for doing that. You see that? So this is one of these painter's poles that's extendable. And all I did was I MacGyvered a hanger on the end there. It actually, it turns out to be an awesome tool when you're horsing around with wires and trees and such. Let me just show you this. Okay, you can see I'm hoping you can see the rope going up into the tree there. So, and here it is. So now I'm going to tie the end of that to some camo twine, some paracord, and hoist that up, and then get the radiator out through the away from those branches. And then, as they say, we're in business. Now I've got a clear sight, clear line to the maple in the back. All right, check it out. A bowline knot. Thanks to my friend Steve. Used to be VE3 Uniform Sierra Mike. Not sure if he still has his call. But anyway. Okay, around the tree. Oops, better show you. Around the tree. And through the hole. Voila. That sucker's not going anywhere. Just tighten it up a bit. Now we've got a nice knot there. Good to go. Let's get this thing finished. Paracord. So I'm going to leave a bit of slack in the line. I know there's a lot of flex with the spider beam, which is great, because I don't want this thing to come tumbling down in the wind. Like snapping. So I'm just going to check it out from different angles, make sure everything's okay. Right, sorry for the sun there. I'm not sure you can see the actual wire. Yeah, you might be able to see it's just to the right of that pine branch. And it goes into the tree. Now, I don't think it's perfectly horizontal. I'm pretty sure it's not. But whatever angles are in there, I can pull them. I can tune them out with my tuner. So now I'm just going to tie down the paracord on the big tree, and we're done.